Here's how to create and check your balance in the Ansari Exchange app. 1. Activate your card. Visit any Ansari Exchange branch and activate your ATM card before using the app. 2. Download the app. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, search Ansari Exchange and install it. 3. Open the app, then choose English, then continue, then register or login. Select mobile number. Enter the same number used during card activation and enter the referral code to get AED 25 bonus. Enter the OTP sent to your phone. 4. Verify Emirates ID and face. Scan the front and back of your Emirates ID. Tap proceed. Then complete face verification by following on-screen instructions. 5. Fill details. Enter your address, email, profession, and other required info, then tick I confirm, then tap submit, then I agree. 6. Set a 4-digit PIN for app login, not ATM. Verify your email via the link sent to your Gmail. 7. Check balance. Open the app, then tap prepaid card, then show card balance to see your available balance and last 10 transactions.